Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I purchased professional multi-purpose screwdriver set online shopping. Its price was 1699 Pakistani rupees, that is equal to $6 US. Free shipping. Let's see its quality. Screwdriver handle. Second side. CRV. Security screwdriver. It is 3-cut and 4-cut screwdriver that is most of the time used in electrical appliances. CRV T25. Its quality is looking good. It is not magnetized. CRV T20, CRV T10, hexagon, CRV H5, CRV H3, hexagon screwdriver, CRV Y1, CRV Y2. CRV PH0, Phillips, CRV Blade 3.0, CRV 2.5, flat, CRV center cut screwdriver, it is also safety screwdriver, flat 4.0 and Phillips 0. Here is 5.0 flat and PH1 Phillips. Blade type CRV 6.0 and PH2. And here is tester, electrical tester and screwdriver. Flat and Phillips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Each bit have 2 screwdrivers, so that means 22 screwdrivers in this combination with 2 screwdriver handles with electricity tester. We will use it practically in our upcoming sessions and we will see its reliability, we will see its quality. If you have tried this product, please write in the comments. Within this price, $6 US, that is 1700 Pakistani rupees, I think this product is excellent. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.